Rock wheels on the track.
Yo, it's your boy G back in this motherfucker. You already know how we sliding, man. But yo, today gonna be a exciting ass video, man. We going to, well, last night we went to meet. I didn't record that, so I ain't even probably, I'm not gonna post none of that. But it was, you know, it was pretty cool. It was pretty nice meet in the hood, you know. But today, Diablos meet. You already know. Diablos meet today. We gonna slide out there with the team. Right now I'm getting oil, about to get an oil change. Right here, in line to get an oil change. Let me show you real quick. You can see we out here, about to get an oil change. Well, I did change my brakes yesterday, and I'm just gonna pay the oil. Because to be honest, the oil is, I don't have like, I'm too big, you know, to fit under my truck. But yeah, shout out to Tire Plus. They always giving me the nice deals. So what it do? I'm back home. We got an oil change. I'm ready for Diablos meet. I mean, from the Gaston Chevys out here, man. Straight up. We right here with Angel Films in the cup. Let me show y'all. Angel Films in the cup, man. Angel Films, man. You already know, man. But besides that, you ain't taking extra clothes, bro? Bet. We got Turo road trip again.
On the road, you know, we stay on the road.
That boy taking a big suitcase for one day. What it is, got my oil change already. We meeting up with the Belgrade crew, and then we're gonna go meet up with the Palm Beach crew. They kind of took a little minute, kind of running late, like 30 minutes late to be honest, but better than ever to be honest. Hey, we met up with two of the boys. You know, we got John, Chico John, OBS, and then we got my dog Arturo. Look at him, look at that boy representing already. Huh? Cut. Now I'm good, bro. Hey, take that flag off. It's gonna fly out, bro, on the highway. Tamal,
you have for you? Huh? You have for you?
Tamal right there?
No, I already ate one.
Oh, okay.
That boy John Rush, look, that nigga's the last one. You know, we got Angel Films in the car, you know? Show the camera, Angel, show the camera. El Johnny. And we lit today, y'all already know how the fuck we doing it, man. PST shit. As you know, we on our way to the meet. Now to the meet. We on our way to the meet up with the other boys from Palm Beach. The crew in Palm Beach, you already know. We're riding with Chico John and Turo. PST shit, you already know how we ride. Slide. That's out straight to it, man. Stop playing. We out here, man. Post the key. With the cut. So look, brother, Turo, you feel me? Sliding in the car, John, Chico John. We got like about 20 minutes to meet up with the other boys. We sliding though, man. We sliding. I'm sorry about my camera quality. My phone is broken right now. My camera's broken, but we out here though, man. So we made it in Palm Beach already. No, we lit. We lit today, huh? We lit? Alright, we lit, man. But I'm my grandpa, man. Yeah, but we lit today, man. We about to make it to the destination. We about to get our cars washed. All three of us about to get our trucks washed, and then we're gonna wait on the rest. We're gonna leave at like 11:30. What time is it right now? 10:30. Yeah. Yeah, we about to leave like at 10:30. 11:30, I mean. I'm pretty bored. I'm bored as fuck, yeah, guys. You guys, for real. Good shit. Man, there's a clean ass cap. What's it called? I don't know if that's a regular cap. What that is, a regular RT? What was it?
Yeah, it was just
RT? That bitch was clean though. It had the fucking like the scat pack hood and shit. But yeah, we bought it right here. Look, we made it in Palm Beach. We out here posting, man. We're out here posting, man, for acá andamos al 100 con los compas. You already know we made it with the crew. We put the bird pulling up. Everybody about to pull up. Let me show y'all around. Let me show y'all the sound crew. Posted, man. We got John here. We got Eliasito. PST, you already know how we ride it, man. What it is? Show me the new shirt. New shirts in progress. You know, sample right here. First sample.
Some light.
First sample. Yeah. Hey, that boy. We out here thugging the light. Thugging the light. Thugging the light.
On our way to our first long distance road trip.
Hell yeah. You already know, man. On some PST shit. Oh, what?
You rounded it with. Oh no, you got it.
Oh, he got it. He got it. We out here doing the oil change in the parking lot. Míralo. El car. Man, doing the oil change in the parking lot, man. Stop playing with us. Hey, that's just falling on the floor, yeah, I'm about to tell you.
What's it called? Bad. I was like, damn, you think I'll make it out there? He's like, yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Well, my control.
Yo, you already know we out here with the team.
Man, drive.
Being with the team, you green.
Man, drive oil, man. I'm about to call the city on him real quick.
We're gonna take your cars. $1,500 to take the car out of impound. Listen, it ain't no joke. Don't let them come out here. I'm telling you.
Park. Hey, tag it up.
Yeah, park it.
Park it over here on the side.
Oh, you leaving?
Okay, guys, I'll see you.
All right, thank you.
Why he leaving? You already know. We gonna meet up with the boys. All the boys. We like how much deep? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're like 7 deep. 7 deep. That's straight though. Feel me? We haven't came out for a long ass time. But today we out, boy. Dirt bikes. My dog brought his dirt bike. Saul brought his that little, what's it called?
car wash.
Nah. That little car. Little buggy. It's Razor, whatever that shit is. It's gonna be deep. Oh, damn. Yo, we deep, man. We deep. Stop playing out here in Palm Beach, man. 2 hours. Fuck it, we gonna do that shit, man. We gonna do that shit in an hour and 30.
never spill. And Lord know when all I'm feeling lost, so many tears on the floor, so you know I can't chill. Plus on the 3-wheel strap, ready to kill. Fuck how you feel, ain't real how I chill. I'm all in shit like a motherfucking grill. I'm just a young nigga trying to get a record deal. Everybody shoot, so you better not slip. And when you see me, y'all boy know the drill. Y'all boy know the drill. One thing about a thing.
A lot of talk cause I'm rolling off the ski. It been a couple days and I ain't got to sleep.
Yo, fuck for $1. And I said, spill the chop if a nigga won't beef. If a nigga won't beef, we gon' send to the doctor. Real street nigga, y'all really want.
About to pull up, guys. Palm Bay. Whoa. We finna go check into the hotel. And then from there, we just finna go check in so we can get that out the way. And then we finna go to the meet, guys. And we'll probably get a wash out there. The compa Fernando brought his car wash out here, man. And we lit. We deep. Let me see. Oh yeah. Destination. This is pretty nice. This just looks like it's ducked the fuck out. Look at that. Oh yeah, man. That shit looks nice. Honestly, I think it's gonna be a clean ass spot.
No quema! ¡Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go!
What? Yeah, here. Diablo League, man. Yeah, me too. Hey, you got a letter? Okay. Now go ahead. Oh, swing it at me.
get that bad.
That's an RT one? 5.9 though.
This bitch bad right here, bro. Oh, that shit right there. Yeah, that shit came right there. What's up?
About to go to the races. Cho Hakeem, I don't know if you can see this smoke look, but you know we going to the race spot now. Damn, that bitch on cambios. Oh, I think my thing don't work no more. My training don't went out. Well, guys, my fucking shift solenoid or whatever the fuck, training or whatever, fucking done gave up. We were supposed to run today and don't see my sound later. They say it's supposed it's a quick fix, but I don't know yet, boy. I don't know, but I could tell ya. Right? That's what I just see.
I fucked up, bro. I should have took it off fucking trust control. I would hate that nigga so bad, bro.
Like 8 first 5-0. I just got me a dub. Yeah, I already know.
I was gonna get the dub.
Nah, I won.
Good shit. Go find that nigga.
I already got it in my bucket. Loan that down so we can't race her today. I think I fixed my truck. She's back up and running. Hey guys, I think I fixed it. I took out the battery and that bitch Should I run or nah? Let it chill out. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Hey, yeah, you're right. You're right.
I'll take you home, bro.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
For real.
I got you, dog.
For real.
I got you. Put me at the line, whatever you want. I'll take you, dog.
Alright, gotta get this.
I'll let you borrow my Cadillac.
Mexico City, man, Mexico City. So guys, it ain't so well. My gear is messed up. Yep, that bitch stays on 4th gear, guys, so I'll probably just guess, I don't know. So guys, I think I will be fixing my truck again. That's just fucking up. That's just messing up. That shit was just staying in 4th gear. I installed my factory Dynapack and I reinstalled the tune and actually it came off. It's acting normal again. No engine light has came on again. So hopefully we're gonna go back to the hotel, stay there tonight. Hopefully tomorrow it doesn't wake up with the same problem. We can get home safe. But yeah, we're going back to the hotel. We about to go get bugged, you feel me? Oh no. About to go get bugged, you feel me? As you can see, we're sliding everywhere, man. My engine light came off.
Came on right now.
Yeah, hopefully I fixed it. I mean, I'm going 45 and the time I was going 45, the engine light would come on and right now I'm not even. Going perfect, so let's hopefully it stays the same. Yo, my haircut, man. You already know, man.
You already know we in the Palm Bay.
Palm Bay. Oh, we deep, man. Everywhere we go, man, we deep, man. Shut up. Don't throw her Zeus. Spit to life.
You good, bro? Take your backpack off.
How about fuck, bro? Take out your backpack, dog. Turn on the rest, huh?
I did. Real quick, just get up, real quick.
We're out here. We going to Bandas y Trocas. You should have it, but. What to do? Boy G back in this bitch, you already know. Mario Verga, Mamalona down. We might have to U-Haul. Yeah, like watch it down, yeah, boys. We might have to fucking tow my shit, dog. Valió verga. PST in the building. boy G. I left the hotel. We outside the hotel now and we're waiting on the rest of the people. But Mama Lona down, guys. Mama Lona down.
Mama Lona down, bro. Sí que mo cut.
Yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. She did her thing, but she fucked up. Valeu, you feel me? So she gonna be down for a little minute, hopefully. Well, to be honest, the check engine came on right now.
Alright, get past the cut.
So hopefully when we drive, that bitch drives good and doesn't fucking fuck up or something.
Alright, get past it.
So hopefully. Yeah, we out here. Let me see.
We out here lined up for the candles.
Yeah, no shit, man.
We'll get something to eat, a little breakfast, a little something slight.
So we out here at the gas station. Can fill up gas real quick, you know.
I tried to make a reservation and I didn't get anything sent to my email.
That bitch stays on 4th gear and my chicken's like, nah, I'm good, bro. Let me get some of this though.
Good stuff? I don't want to. You guys already ate?
Yeah, bro. That boy John.
Vamos para la house.
To the house?
Para la house cook.
Everybody, vámonos. Mama Lona down. We out here. What a car. You already know what it is. You already know. Mama Lona down. It is what it is. Do live it. It is what it is, but she'll be right back. Hey, you see? We went on him to roll and then we started off.
That nigga stay rolling.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Oh, I see you, what? I see you.
You can put that in the video.
Yeah. Well, now we going to the U-Haul. We go to the U-Haul. Huh? We going to the U-Haul. All right. Oh, we better U-Haul place, man. Mama Lona down. We're gonna have to tow that bitch. To be honest. Yo, what's up, guys? Mama Lona down. We on 95 right now, heading towards Palm Beach. What time is it? Yeah, like 2:30 right now. I was trying to get a U-Haul, but U-Haul's been tripping, man. They wanted me to go like 30 minutes more towards the other way. I didn't really want to risk it. I'd rather go 30 minutes towards home and fuck up towards home over here than fuck up over there, you know. So yeah, we're going like 50. Well, I'm kind of pushing her, to be honest, because I have her on cruise control and it's right at 50, about 53, 52. Whatever, I'm keeping track of everything though. I mean, my coolant running 190, trans 161. It's running pretty good. Chicken July has came on and shit. It doesn't let me, for some reason it just lets me go on fucking gears. It's like, it doesn't even let me put it on drive. It just lets me put it on gears, to be honest. Here he is. Like, my homie's just riding behind me and shit. Yeah, well, this rest area. We already drove for like how long? Like an hour, to be honest. And to be honest, we're just gonna stop right here. We're not really trying to break none, because I don't think it's too serious. But you know, we gotta prepare for the worst. So yeah. So hopefully, we got my bro Saul coming too, and then he's finna tow me, to be honest. So some of the guys right here still. Yeah. Todavía. It's Monday. Puro sessions. If cars don't pull up. Yeah, don't save them. The Saul don't save us out here, man.
Hope, dog. Let's hope. Because this shit been sitting on the sun, dog.
You wanna?
There's a fucking pump there.
You think it's?
He doesn't follow.
Yeah.
It shouldn't weigh much more than my Razor, right?
Think your Razor? The Razor about like 4,000 something.
All right, look. You do it. Pull it in.
All right, bro. Too low. You see?
Look.
Oh, hey, he's smart as a bit. That boy know what he's doing, man. That boy did. That boy know what he's doing, bro. What? That boy was loud as fuck. Damn, we stuck right here. Going through the jungle. Oh, we're going on. That one for me like no. Oh my god.
¿Cómo la robamos en caliente?
Oh, my nose in there. Who was that? I want to do it, but I'm like, nah, this is
How you got over there?
that way.
To tighten this bitch down where? To the tires and all that?
Then how you finna roll up the window?
How are you finna get out of here?
Alright, somebody go on the other side.
This it?
She's like, what the fuck tú no vas a hacer? No, chill out, bro. You can chop it out. Stay super tight.
For real. Oh, 4 out, you know what I'm saying? Chill out.
Race truck down, race truck down.
Los venezolanos. Ahorita les hablamos. Tienen que terminar de cortar y organizar.
Big ass traffic stuff.
Que hagan eso.
Took about like 20 minutes out, you guys.
Que vayan, no, que vayan.
Con pasado.
O que vayan con
Yes,
ellos, ¿no?
coins.
Pero ahorita.
Safe home, man, for real. Shout out to Saul, bro. That nigga saved me. It was raining hard as fuck. It was a nasty drive, but I think I'm gonna end it right here. To be honest, I'm gonna end it right here. So thank you guys for watching, man. Now stay tuned. Mama Lona finna be back over running. For real.
On the track.